If you love asking big questions and discovering wild facts, but you don't want a boring lesson, then grab your imaginary helmet and get ready for an out-of-this-world adventure. Today, we're going to blast off on a journey through our amazing solar system, where every planet, moon, and star has a story to tell. So buckle up, future space explorer. Let's get started. Let's launch into the coolest corners of our solar system. Our first stop is the solar system itself, a giant neighborhood in space where the sun is the boss, and everything else from tiny asteroids to giant planets spins around it. Imagine a huge spinning dance floor, and all the planets are grooving to the sun's music. Did you know there are 8 amazing planets spinning around our sun? Each one is different, with its own colors, weather, and secrets. From tiny Mercury, which is closest to the sun, to giant Neptune, way out at the edge, every planet is special in its own way. Some planets are super hot, like Venus, which is covered in thick clouds that trap heat and make it hotter than an oven. Others, like Neptune, are freezing cold, with wild winds and icy blue storms. It's like the solar system has its own weather report, with every planet showing off something different. But out of all these planets, Earth is the only one we know that has life. And yes, that means people, animals, plants, and even pizza. Earth is just the right distance from the sun, not too hot and not too cold, making it the perfect place for all sorts of living things to grow and play. Now look up at the night sky. See that bright, glowing ball? That's the moon, our closest neighbor in space. The moon has been a friend to Earth for billions of years, lighting up our nights and inspiring stories, songs, and even dreams of astronauts walking on its surface. If you watch the moon every night, you'll notice it changes shape. Sometimes it looks like a tiny sliver, and other times it's a big glowing circle. This magical transformation happens because of the way sunlight shines on the moon as it orbits around Earth. Sometimes the moon is a skinny crescent, like a smile in the sky. Other times, it's a big, round, full moon, lighting up the whole night. These different shapes are called the moon's phases, and they happen in a pattern every month. That's called the moon's phases. There are 8 main phases, from new moon to full moon and back again. It's like the moon is putting on a new costume every night, just for us to see. It's almost as if the moon is playing dress-up, changing its look to keep things interesting. Next time you see the moon, try to guess which phase it's in. Now let's talk about some of the most exciting features on planets. Mountains and volcanoes. On Earth, we have tall mountains and fiery volcanoes that erupt with hot lava, shaping our planet's surface and creating new land. But did you know the biggest volcano in the whole solar system isn't on Earth? It's on Mars. Mars is known as the Red Planet, and it's home to Olympus Mons, a volcano so huge it makes all others look tiny. Olympus Mons is 3 times taller than Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth,